Hello and welcome again. Now we want to work with the 3D models in SOLIDWORKS software. The 3D commands are in the Insert menu. We want to start with the Extrude command. In the Insert menu, boss/base, the Extrude command, or in Command Manager. In the Feature tab, you can click on the Extrude boss/base command to run it. But you need to draw a sketch before. Do this and draw a sketch on a planar face, or on a standard plane. For example, draw a circle. Okay, that's very good. Now, run the Extrude command. In the left area appears the Extrude boss options. As you see in the graphic area, the circle is extruded by default in perpendicular to the sketch plane. In this tab you can determine that your extrude started from there. By default, Extrude command started from sketch plane that you draw sketches. The next option is surface/face/plane. As a general rule in SOLIDWORKS software, surfaces are non-flatted faces. For examples, these are surface planes. Face is flat planes on your models. For example, these are planes. And plane is a standard plane or work planes that will explain them completely. Okay, that's good. Now you can choose that your sketch started from there. For example, choose a flat faces on your 3D model. As you see, Extrude started from your selection plane. The next option is vertex. By clicking on the point and vertex, Extrude started from there. And the last option is offset. You can determine the number that offset from the sketch plane. And your extrude started from there. Choose a number and test it. Okay, that's very good. Direction 1. In this options, you can determine that your extrude moved to. The first option is blind. Choose a number in millimeter unit that moved your sketch and create the extrude. For example, 10 millimeters. Direction of extrusion tab by default is empty. That means your extrude moves perpendicular to the sketch plane. By choose a straight line or the edge in 3D models. Change your direction of extrusion. For example, we select this edge. Okay. That's very good. Tick the merge result checkbox. That's mean the current extruded solid model is joined with the previous one. It's very important option. In future explain this option more. And draft. Okay, first change the value of blind to 40 millimeters. Then click on the draft icon. You can see the changes on your model. Change the value of angle by more degree. And draft outward. To reverse the direction of drafting. Okay. That's very good. The next option in direction 1 is through all. With this option your extrude moved to the last object in their way. You can see this. Click on the reverse direction icon. Now see the through all option in this position. Last object in this direction is changed. Okay, very good. Change the direction to previous option. The next option is up to next. Okay, you can see the changes. Very good. Click on reverse direction icon. Change the from option. And choose the back of plane for start the extrude. And changes the direction one option to up to surface. And click on arc surface in front of. OK. See the changes. So do not important that the sketch plane is placed on. But your extrude can moved everywhere. OK. Back to the default options. To continue the extrude command. In SOLIDWORKS software. OK. Very good. The next option is up to vertex. Need to select a vertex. Next one is up to surface. And choose this curvy face. See the shape of your extruded model. That's very important notice. OK. The next is offset from surface. Choose another surface. And determine a value. That's your model comes to. And place on there. For example. Change the value to 10 mm. And see the changes. OK. The next is up to body. Select this body that created before. To see the changes. OK. That's very good. And the last option is mid-plane. Change the value in front of depth icon. You can see the 3D model and its changes. OK. Good. Tick on the direction 2 checkbox. All the options of the direction 2 is exactly similar to direction 1. Test the various option in the direction 2. And practice more and more. OK, that's very good. The last option is thin feature. You can see the changes to the sketch profile. The first is one direction option. Then you can determine the value of model thickness. Enter a number, for example 5 mm. Then click on reverse direction. Next option is mid-plane. Change to 10. 5 mm inside. And 5 mm outside of thickness. And next. 2 direction. Determine the two values separate. OK. Very good. What is the contours in the extrude command in SOLIDWORKS software? If you have a sketch draw like this, with help of contours option in extrude command, you can complete these. OK. Very good. Enter the extrude command. And every time click on the separate contour. and determine the various value to extrude them. Try it on the various shapes on your sketch. This the contours on the sketch draw. OK. That's very good. OK. Now run the extruded cut. In Insert menu, Cut, Extrude, or in the Command Manager, Extruded Cut command. OK. Again we need the sketch that drawn previously. Now draw a circle again in this work plane. And run the command. All options of the extruded cut is exactly similar to extrude boss/base. For example, choose the blind option and change their value by clicking in this arrows. OK. Or choose the up to surface and choose this flat surface. To see the changes, change to wireframe mode to see better the cut extruded. OK. Good. Choose again the curvy surface and cut this extruded again. Try to do other options more and more. OK. That's very good.